This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I would like to demonstrate that you can lock the screen of your phone with your own fingerprint. So in order to set up the fingerprint recognition feature, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the security category. Onwards, go for the fingerprint, set screen lock, then choose what backup screen lock method you would like to have and set it up respectively. Onwards, choose the notification preferences for the lock screen, and in here tap at the add fingerprint. Hit next and start placing your fingerprint onto the sensor that is located at the back panel of the device. And as you can see, by continuously or repetitively laying and lifting your finger on and onto and from the fingerprint scanner, bit by bit, your fingerprint surface gets scanned, thus enrolled. So do that until the fingerprint will be scanned successfully and added. Then hit the finish button, and now you can use the fingerprint scanner to unlock your device. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues. It works somewhat fast, so great success. The following option that I wanted to show you in this video you can find at the display and brightness category of settings. It is called the eye care. It can be also referred to as night light or eye comfort mode, and by enabling it, as you can see, it tints the screen amber, making the interface colors and the overall display colors warmer, thus preventing the eye fatigue. In here you can adjust the intensity of this effect or set up the automated schedule for it to be enabled and disabled at certain time frames. The next tip, or rather configuration that I wanted to demonstrate, is how you can change the system navigation type. So go into the system category of settings, then open the system navigation page. As you could have noticed up until this point in the video, I've been navigating through my interface via gestures. But if you are not a fan of them, or you just prefer 3-button navigation, the classic one, you can absolutely change the type and use those 3 digital buttons at the bottom part of your screen to use the interface. I'm more of a gestures fan, so I'll get the interface navigation back to gestures, but as I've already said, do what you please and choose the system navigation method that you like better. The next tip is how you can show the battery percentage over here at the status bar, so you will know at all times precisely how much battery you have left. It's a very quick and simple process. Simply go into the battery category of settings or battery lab, then go for the battery settings, and in here turn on the battery percentage toggle. And as you can see, now I can clearly understand how much power I have left. And fifth and final tip is how you can enable the developer options. That's the whole separate settings section that provides you with advanced configurations and options. As you could have already guessed by the name of it, that are especially useful for the people who are doing some development or app development or debugging, whatever is that. So in order to activate it, you gotta enter the About Phone category or My Phone category and repetitively tap at the build number spec until you will receive the "You are now a developer" message, like that. Now in order to access the developer settings, enter the system category, and here you have them. There are quite a few things to play with and tweak, so if you're interested in some advanced things and just up your system experience a notch, you can just activate or make developer options visible and play with them as you please. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.